So not only can we use Social Media Borg for sending out messages to Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, Bebo and others, we can also send out patient newsletters. So I want to show you how we do that using the software. So this is the main screen from Social Media Borg, so all I need to do is to log in and I end up with my compose screen, compose messages, and you can see it's very simple just to start typing a message in here. So this is the central compose screen. But if I want to send a newsletter, I simply click on templates, and then the software will open up a series of nice templates, or you can design your own template based on these, which I've done. So I've got one called newsletter. I open my newsletter, and this is called Mark Oborn's e-marketing newsletter, and I can edit each individual field as I want to, and each month I will change the content of each of these boxes, but basically it stays exactly the same. Then in order to send out that email, I simply scroll down here, and you can see if I wanted to send it to my Facebook fan page, I could send it to there, or I could send it to Facebook or Twitter or any number of places. But if I want to send it as an email, I click on email, I click on the address book, and I've got a group of my patients, of my clients, so which will be your patients group. I simply select the particular group that I've got all my contacts in. I type in a message, newsletter, and click send. And it's as simple as that. That's the newsletter gone. Once the newsletter is gone, we're then also, I'm going to discard that now for this one because I don't want to send this one. But we can go to reports. So once you've sent a message, we can go through to the reports screen, and if I scroll through to the messages here, I can check on my previous messages that I've sent using the software. And this goes for all messages. So you can see I'm using this for Twitter. So this message went out to Twitter, and I sent another one here to Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Google Buzz. There was another here that I sent to Twitter. This one went to Facebook. But this was my newsletter. So if I click on the newsletter that I sent yesterday, I can open up the statistics and the analytics of that newsletter. So there is that newsletter. That's what it looked like. And if I scroll down the bottom here, you can see I've had no responses yet. But if I click on my daily statistics, I can see the number of opens that I've had through that day. I can see the number of recipients it was sent to, the number of people that opened it. I can check on the clicks, but I've got no statistics at the moment. People haven't clicked on it. And I can click on a full report to see exactly who opened that message and what time they clicked on it and when they last checked that message. So it's a very powerful piece of software for sending patient newsletters. To get the patients into the database in the first place, all I need to do is to scroll down to an importer. We've got a contact importer here. So all I do is I set up a CSV file, which is a file that you can go into Microsoft Excel, but it's a CSV file, and there is a nice sample file so that it shows exactly how the data needs to be formatted. It's very simple. We go to add them to a group, and we can add them to a clients group. You can set up a patients group, and there you have it. That's all your patients imported, and you can send them nice email newsletters. So to get the software, I'm running a dental marketing club which starts in January. It's £45 a month. You'll get the webinar once per month, so for an hour. We'll go through Facebook, Twitter. I'll show you how to set up these emails. You get a version of the software as well, a fully functioning version. And all you need to do to sign up to that is go to markoborn.com. So you go through to Mark Oborn, and then here we've got the Dental Online Marketing Club Now Booking. Click on the Now Booking form, on the Now Booking link. This tells you a bit about the club, what we're going to do through each of the webinars here. So there are 12 webinars and £45 a month, and you just fill in the form and you can sign up. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.